Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a prize you have received recently. E.g. money, something valuable, a medal. You should say, what was it? When did you receive it? What did you do to receive it? And explain how do you feel about it. I was recently awarded a trophy and a certificate of appreciation for holding a career counseling program at a local school in my area. I received an invitation to participate as a guest speaker at their annual celebration approximately 3 months ago. I was requested to speak to students on goal setting, communication skills, and the significance of making well-informed decisions for further education because I work in the fields of education and career counseling. I made sure my speech was both inspirational and educational, incorporated some real-life anecdotes and images, and prepared for the session in great detail. In front of students, instructors, and parents, the school principal praised me on stage following the seminar and gave me a trophy and a gorgeously framed certificate. I felt incredibly honored and appreciated, and it was a very memorable moment. Students approached me afterward to tell me they felt more inspired and self-assured, which added to the significance of this prize beyond its tangible value. Some even inquired about ways to enhance their communication abilities and study abroad alternatives. I'm incredibly appreciative and happy to have won that award. It served as a reminder that my actions have the power to change someone's life. Additionally, it gave me more self-assurance and motivated me to continue planning such activities to support kids, particularly in small-town or rural areas where awareness is still low. In summary, receiving the award demonstrated the significance of my work in addition to acknowledging my efforts. It will always have a particular place in my heart since it was more than simply a trophy, it was a sign of gratitude and trust. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.